Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to put that notification bell on. And today we are doing DIY firework treats, and we're also doing a jar to decorate your room. So this is going to be super fun, and this is a special edition for 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. And yeah, enjoy! So for this project you will need straws, red, white, and blue probably is good, red, white, and blue lifesavers, a flag, pop rocks, and some airheads. Okay, let's go ahead and just open our packages of red, white, and blue straws. We're gonna go ahead and make your own little pattern of your lifesavers using the red, white, and blue lifesavers. You can do other colors, but since it's 4th of July, I thought it was a good idea to use red, white, and blue colored lightsabers. This is gonna be the body of the firework, and if you couldn't tell, the straw was the part that gets lit on fire, and then the body is the lifesavers. You're gonna go ahead and close the end of the straw with some hot glue. I was thinking about cutting the little bendy part off, and I'm like, nah. So you're gonna put some hot glue inside the straw. Sorry for my shakiness. You're gonna pinch the straw, and I suggest blowing on the hot glue to make sure it dries faster. Okay, you're gonna dump all your packages of pop rocks into containers. I separated them by the two flavors that I had. I had strawberry and green apple. You can make a funnel by cutting a piece of straw and cutting it halfway through the side, and then you just put it inside the straw, and it acts as like a shovel, and you just tap on it and then it goes inside the straw. This is for like when you're done with the candy, you could just dump pop rocks in your mouth and it acts like firework powder. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up for you guys. Okay, you're gonna next get some airheads and make it into a firework shape. Okay, now we're gonna make the jar. You're gonna need some scissors, a jar, some Mod Podge, and some flags. I got my flags from Dollar Tree if you wanted to know. Oh, and don't forget the brush. Okay, we're gonna start off by getting our Mod Podge and our brush and like paint Mod Podge all over the jar so it makes sure that the flag doesn't come off. If you just like tape it, it'll probably just move around a lot. So if you Mod Podge it on there, it's good. Mod Podge kind of looks like paint, but it ends up going clear once it's dry. So don't worry if it's white, it's not going to paint your jar white. Make sure your jar is fully covered with Mod Podge so that your flag is not going to end up getting ripped off by accident. Okay, now we're going to get to the flag part. So you're going to get one of the flags. Once again, I got mine from Dollar Tree, and it comes in a pack of 3. So I just use one for the jar, and I just put the other 2 just around my room to decorate for 4th of July. Start off by placing your flag on there. And my jar that I got my jar from, you don't have to get anything fancy. I just used a pickle jar, and it's that easy and cheap. Just recycle, guys. My flag didn't cover all the way to the label, but that's fine. That part's just gonna face the wall. But if you really want to be perfectionist, you can probably get another piece of your other flag and just cover that little part. Okay, now I'm going to trim the extra parts. I'm going to do it off camera because it was kind of hard to do it. Okay, I decided to keep the top part not cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these DIYs, press like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget to put that notification bell on. And yeah, bye.
Without my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I'm more than just a number. Hey, hey, hey. I doubt you'll find another.